Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murhar Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration part 17. Okay, now explain question number 1. Integral x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 6 plus 1 dx. How can solve this problem? Okay, integral x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 6 plus 1 multiply and divide by x square plus 1. Okay, multiply and divide by x square plus 1. Now integral x to the power 4 plus 1 multiply with x square plus 1. First x to the power 4 multiply with these two terms, x power 6 plus x to the power 4. Next 1 multiply with x square plus 1. This whole divided by x to the power 6 plus 1 into x square plus 1. Now this is going to be x to the power 6. X to the power 6 plus 1. Take x to the power 6 plus 1 and in between x to the power 4 and x square, one x square take out common, x square plus 1. Okay, by using individual division, x power 6 plus 1 and x power 6 plus 1, x power 6 plus 1 into x square plus 1. In this x to the power 6 plus 1 into x square plus 1. In this x square plus 1 get cancelled. So in this x to the power 6 plus 1 get cancelled. Now integral dx by x square plus 1 plus integral x square dx by 1 plus x to the power 6. This x to the power 6 place we should write x cube whole square. Okay. So integral dx by x square plus 1, we get tan inverse x, this formula, plus this value. So let us take x cube is equal to t. So now derivative of x cube 3x square dx is equal to dt. Therefore x square dx is equal to dt by 3. Okay, by using substitution, integral x square dx place in right dt by 3 into 1 plus t square. Now tan inverse x plus 1 by 3 constant, integral dt by 1 plus t square, this will be tan inverse t. So this is equal to tan inverse x plus 1 by 3 times of tan inverse. In the place of t, we should write x cube. So this is answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral 3x square plus 2x dx by x to the power 6 plus 2x to the power 4 plus x to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square plus 5. So now write numerator as it is. In denominator x to the power 6 plus 2 x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4. This can be written as x to the power 6 x cube whole square. Okay. Next x to the power 4 x square whole square plus 2 into x to the power 5. This can be written as x cube into x square. Plus in this 1 2 take out common, x cube plus x square plus 5. So integral 3x square plus 2x dx by 8. So by using a square plus b square plus 2ab formula, a plus b whole square, where a place an x cube, b place an x square there. So x cube plus x square whole square plus 2 times of x cube plus x square plus 5. So by using substitution method, let us take x cube plus x square is equal to t. Okay, then 3x square plus 2x dx is dt. So let us take x cube plus 2x square, x cube plus x square is equal to t. Now derivative on both sides. So derivative of x cube 3x square, derivative of x square, we get 2x dx is equal to dt. Okay. Okay, now I say that if denominator x cube plus x square t, then numerator will be dt. Therefore integral dt by t square plus 2t plus 5. Okay, integral dt by t square plus 2t, this plus 5 can be written as 1 plus 4. So complete square method, this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So integral dt by t plus 1 whole square plus 2 square, 4 written as. So we have one formula, integral dx by x square plus a square. So this will be 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Integral dx by x square plus a square formula 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Where a placed where constant is 2 and variable placed in t plus 1 there. So by using that formula 1 by a, 1 by 2. So tan inverse of x by a. Tan inverse of where x placed in t plus 1, a placed in right 2. So 1 by 2 times of tan inverse of, in the place of t, we should write x cube plus x square plus 1 by 2 plus 2. Let us go to the next problem. Integral root under cos x by x minus root under x by cos x sin x dx. So root under cos x by x. This means root cos x by root x minus this value root x by root cos x into sin x dx. So let us do LCM. What is the LCM? Root x into root cos x. So after LCM, root cos x into root cos x, this will be cos x minus root x into root x, x sin x. So root x into root x, x sin x. So this is nothing but under root x cos x. So by using substitution method, let us take x cos x is equal to t. X cos x is equal to t. So why? Because this derivative is there in numerator. So now derivative on both sides. So x into derivative of cos x minus sin x plus cos x into, so derivative of x, this will be 1, dx is equal to dt. Now x cos x minus sin x, x cos x minus x sin x. Therefore x cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now integral, if root under value t, then numerator will be dt. So dt by root t. Cos x minus x sin x dx will be dt. We got it. So integral dt by root t. Integral dt by root t, this will give us 2 root t. This is the formula. So in the place of t, we should write x cos x. Let us go to the next problem. Integral cos 5x plus cos 4x dx by 1 minus 2 cos 3x. Okay. We have 1 minus cos 3x formula. But in this, what is given? 1 minus 2 cos 3x given. So we should multiply and divide 1 sin 3x. So integral cos 5x plus cos 4x into 1 sin 3x, divide, multiply and divide. Sin 3x minus 2 cos 3x into sin 3x. Okay. So 1 sin 3x, divide, multiply and divide. Sin 3x minus 2 cos 3x sin 3x. Now this would be cos c plus cos d. We have cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So c plus c formula by using 2 cos c plus d by 2. 5x plus 4x by 2, 9x by 2. Cos 5x minus 4x by 2, c minus d by 2, this will be x by 2 into sin 3x dx, this whole divided by So denominator write sin 3x, 2 cos 3x sin 3x. 2 cos theta sin theta, this formula sin 2 theta, this will be sin 6x. 2 cos 3x sin 3x, this will be sin 6x. Now we have sin c minus sin d formula. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. Okay, I give one coding. S plus s is equal to 2sc, s minus s is equal to 2cs, c plus c 2cc, c minus 2ss. Where s for sin, c for cos. Sin c plus sin d. This will be 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Next, sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Next, c plus c. Cos c plus cos d. This will be 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. C minus c. Cos c minus cos d. This will be minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay, by using sin c minus sin d formula, this will be 2 cos 9x by 2 cos x by 2 sin 3x. We have sin theta formula 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. In this sin 3x there, sin 3x formula 2 sin 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2 dx. Okay, this whole divided by, so sin c minus sin d formula 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3x plus 6x by 2, 9x by 2, sin 3x minus 6x by 2, this will be minus 3x by 2. In this 2 cos 9x by 2 get cancelled. Now this will be 2 cos x by 2 sin 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2. This whole divided by sin of minus theta. We have sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So this will be minus sin 3x by 2. In this one sin 3x by 2 get cancelled. We have one formula 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b equal to, so cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Our coding formula 2cc is equal to c plus c. So this will be minus 1 constant. 2 cos a cos b, this will be cos a plus b. X by 2 plus 3x by 2, 4x by 2, 2x. Cos x by 2 minus 3x by 2, minus x. So dx, this will be minus of cos 2x dx. So plus into minus minus cos x dx. Where cos of minus x value plus cos x. Where cos of minus x is equal to plus cos x. Okay, this minus multiply with plus, minus into plus, minus integral cos x dx. This will be minus integral cos 2x is sin 2x, but derivative of 2x, 2 integration is by 2, divided by 2. Integral cos x is sin x plus c. Integral cos 2x, sin 2x, but integration of 2x is by 2. Let us go to the next problem. Integral log of 1 plus x minus log x by x into 1 plus x dx. How can solve this problem? Integral, first by using log a minus log b formula. Log a by b. Log of 1 plus x by x dx. This whole divided by, so x into, in 1 plus x, 1 x take out common, this will be 1 by x plus 1. Okay, so integral log of, so this will be 1 by x plus x by x. 1 by x plus x by x value 1 dx by x into x, x square into 1 by x plus 1. Okay, by using substitution method, let us take 1 by x plus 1 is equal to t. 1 by x plus 1 is equal to t. Now derivative on both sides. Derivative of 1 by x, this is going to be minus 1 by x square dx. So derivative of 1 0, derivative of t, we get dt. Now integral log of 1 by x plus 1, this place in we should write dt, 1 by x plus 1 value t, and dx by x square, dx by x square, this place in we should write minus dt. 1 by x square dx is equal to minus dt. So minus dt, this whole divided by 1 by x plus 1, this place in write t. This minus 1 constant, log t into 1 by t dt. This is in the form of integral f of x power n into f dash x dx is equal to f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, where f of x value log t, where n value 1. So derivative of log t 1 by t. So this is f dash x, where n place in right 1. So by using this formula minus of, okay, this will going to be f of x place in right log t power n plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c, where n value 1. Since n is equal to 1, therefore minus 1 by 2 times of log of, in the place of t, we should write 1 by x plus 1, 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus c. Let us go to the next problem. Integral dx by tan x plus cot x plus secant x plus cosecant x. How can solve this problem? Okay. So integral dx by, so this functions convert into sine or cosine functions. So tan x formula sin x by cos x plus cot x formula is cos x by sin x. So secant x, this will be 1 by cos x. Cosecant x, this would be 1 by sin x. So let us do LCM. Cos x into sin x is LCM. Integral dx by, so what is LCM? Sin x into cos x. So after LCM, this would be sin square x plus cos square x. This value sin x plus cos x. Okay, this is going to be denominator sin x cos x. This is multiply with dx. Integral sin x dx, sin x cos x dx by. So this will be sin square x plus cos square x. This will be 1 plus sin x plus cos x. Let us do 1 cos x divide on numerator as well as denominator. Integral sin x cos x dx by cos x, this whole divided by 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x plus cos x by cos x. In this, 1 cos x get cancelled. Integral sin x dx by 1 by cos x secant x, sin by cos, this will be tan x plus 1. So this will be sin x dx by, okay, secant x plus tan x plus 1. Tan x plus 1. In this one, secant x plus secant minus tan x plus 1 multiply and divide. In this one, secant x minus of tan x plus 1 divide and multiply. So this will be integral sin x into secant x minus of tan x plus 1 dx upon, so by using a plus b into a minus b, formula is a square minus b square, where a place in secant square x, where a place in secant x, a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b in the form of a square minus b square secant square x minus tan x plus 1 whole square. This will be sin x into secant minus tan x minus 1 dx upon secant square x. So by using a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 tan x. Okay, this will be sin x into secant x minus tan x minus 1 dx upon, so tan square x plus 1, this will be secant square x. One secant square x get cancelled. So secant square x minus, this will be secant square x minus 2 tan x, plus into minus minus 2 tan x. So tan x formula is sin x by cos x. So one secant square x get cancelled, one sin x also get cancelled. Okay, this will be integral secant x formula 1 by cos x, tan x formula sin x by cos x minus 1 dx by minus 2 by cos x. Is it clear? So let us do LCM. What is LCM? Cos x is LCM. 1 minus sin x minus cos x by minus 2 by cos x. So cos x get cancelled. In this minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 constant, minus 1 by 2 times of 1 dx. Next, minus sin x dx minus cos x dx. So this will be minus 1 by 2 times of, so 1 dx will x. Integral sin x minus cos x, minus into minus plus cos x. Integral cos x is sin x. This is answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral x square plus x into x to the power minus 8 plus 2x to the power minus 9 power 1 by 10. Okay. In this x square plus x, 1 x take out common. Integral 1 x take out common, x plus 1 into x to the power minus 8 plus 2x to the power minus 9 power 1 by 10. Now this x multiply with 10th root of this function. Now integral x plus 1 into this x multiply with 10th root of the function. This will be x power 10 into x power minus 8 plus 2 into x power 10 into x power minus 9 power 1 by 10 dx. Okay, a into multiply with 10th root of function, 10th root of b. This will be a to the power 10 into b whole power 10, whole to the power 1 by 10. Now integral x plus 1 into, so x power 10 into x to the power minus 8, this will be x square. 1, if bases equal, powers are added. In this also same, 2x power 1 by 10 dx. Now let us take x square plus 2x is equal to t. Now let us take x square plus 2x is equal to t. Now derivative on both sides, derivative of x square 2x, 2 into derivative of x1 into dx is equal to dt. Now in this one 2 take out common, x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. Therefore x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt by t. Therefore integral, if x square plus 2x, if x square plus 2x is t, then x plus 1 into dx, x plus 1 into dx, this expression we should write dt by 2. So 1 by 2 constant, integral t to the power 1 by 10, this integration t to the power 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1. Okay, this will be, okay, this will be 1 by 2 into, in the place of t, we should write x square plus 2x. Power 1 by 10 plus 1 is 11 by 10 by 11 by 10. So 1 by 2 times of, this is 10 by 11 into x square plus 2x power 11 by 10. So 1 2 get cancelled. So answer is 5 by 11 into x square plus 2x power 1 by 11 by 10 plus c. So this is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral x to the power 27 into 1 plus x square power 6, 6x square plus 5x plus 4 dx. This is also same as question number 8. X to the power 27. This x to the power 27 can be written as x to the power 24 into x cube. 1 plus x square power 6, 6x square plus 5x plus 4 dx. Now, integral x to the power 24, this can be written as x to the power 4 whole power 6. X to the power 4 power 6 into, write this function 1 plus x square power 6 into this x cube multiply with this function x cube into 6x square plus 5x plus 4 into dx. Okay. So a to the power 6 into b to the power 6. ab whole to the power 6. This x to the power 5, x to the power 4 multiply with this function. X to the power 4 into 1, x to the power 4. X to the power 4 into x to the power 5. X to the power 4 into x square, x to the power 6. Into this x cube multiply with this function 6x to the power 5, 5x to the power 4 and 4x cube dx. Okay. Let us take x to the power 4 plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 6 is equal to t. Why? Because this is dt. So now derivative on both sides. Derivative of x to the power 4, 4x cube. This is 5x to the power 4. This is 6x to the power 5 dx is equal to dt. Okay. If this value t, then 6x to the power 5 plus 5x to the power 4 plus 4x cube dx value dt. Therefore, integral t to the power 6 into this total value, this place in right dt. So integral t to the power 6 is t to the power 7 by 7. So in the place of 7, we should write x to the power 4 plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 6 power 7 by 7. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.